Hey guys, today I want to talk about the coil of the Hyundai Getz. It's this guy here. I've already replaced it, but what it looks like, it's the old one is like this. As you can see, you have two bolts on that side, and then you have another one down at the bottom there, those two there. So once you take that off, the it basically taking off the HT cables, and then you take it off. The one on that side is a little bit tricky to get it back, but once you fit it back, it fits in there now. Why I've changed it is because the car started getting a bit of hiccups, and I decided to rather replace it because it is a an item that obviously you have to change sometimes. And as you can see, the car has got two coils with 4 HT leads in it. So yeah, that is how to just replace the coil on the Hyundai Getz. As I said, this is the old one. It looks like that if it's been removed, and it also comes with that part there. So yeah, that's the item that needs to be replaced.